Hello everybody, I'm Vlad, and today I'm gonna present you my project, my solar helicopter bot. But first of all, I'm gonna explain to you in a couple words what a solar bot is. A solar bot is a mechanism, is a circuit that is controlled, is made only from raw materials like transistors, capacitors, resistors, and a source. In this case, we have a photovoltaic cell and LED and a motor. No microcontrollers, no microprocessors, no microprocessors. It's just raw. So now I'm going to go in more detail on my project, and I'm going to present you how I made it. So the way I started is I prepared the materials, and I used the heat shrinking tube to cover the transistors. The 3906 transistor, I marked it on top so I could identify it later because I used two types of transistors. PNP, the one I just said, and NPN, the 3904. And the way I connected this, see in here, I connected the 3904 middle pin to the first pin from the 3906, and then the other ones I connected a resistor to the middle pin of 3906 and to the last pin of the 3904. Now the way it is powered is the negative end charged the first pin of the NPN, and then the positive end charges the last pin of PNP. Now I used 4 capacitors linked up in series, in parallel, sorry, because in parallel they could offer their best. They can charge quicker and they can charge more. Now, as for the source, the solar panels, I link them in series because they produce more power and they charge faster. And I link into the positive and negative end. Now here we can see that I put 2 rings. The first bigger one is the positive end, where I linked all the positive ends of the capacitors, and then the lower one, seeing right now, yep, right here, it's the negative end, where I could hook up the LED and the transistor, the end of the transistor. Now I got a couple of difficulties as I was going on. I had too big of a motor that they couldn't be turned on by the current I was running through, and after 2 weeks of struggle I discovered that just putting a pager motor